Credit Karma, friend or foe to your wallet? Ever dreamt of having a crystal ball that shows you your financial future? Well, while we can't predict lottery numbers, there are tools out there that can shed light on your credit health, a crucial factor in everything from loan approvals to apartment rentals. Enter Credit Karma, a name you've probably seen plastered across billboards or heard buzzing about online. But is it really the magic key to unlocking financial success? Today, we're diving deep to answer the burning questions. Is Credit Karma free? And more importantly, is it safe? Let's face it, in today's digital age, free often comes with a hidden cost. Our data feels constantly under siege, bombarded with targeted ads and the unsettling feeling of being watched online. So, the idea of a free credit score sounds almost too good to be true. Here's the good news. Credit Karma is, in fact, free to use. You can access your credit scores, credit reports, from TransUnion and Equifax, two of the three major credit bureaus, and a plethora of credit monitoring tools without ever having to whip out your credit card. But hold on a second. Free doesn't always translate to fantastic. Let's dissect Credit Karma's business model. They make their money by recommending financial products like credit cards and loans. When you click on these recommendations and eventually sign up for a product, Credit Karma receives a commission from the lender. It's a win-win situation, right? They connect you with potentially valuable products, and you get free credit monitoring. However, a critical eye is essential here. There's a chance you might see recommendations that aren't the absolute best fit for your financial situation. Credit Karma might prioritize products that offer them the highest commission, rather than focusing solely on your specific needs. So, how do you navigate this potential bias? The key is to treat Credit Karma as a helpful tool, but not the gospel truth. Use the information it provides as a starting point, but always conduct your own research before applying for any credit product. Look beyond Credit Karma's recommendations and compare interest rates, fees, and other terms across various lenders. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: security. Sharing your personal information online is a nerve-wracking experience, especially something as sensitive as your credit history. Credit Karma employs industry-standard security measures like encryption to protect your data. They also offer free credit monitoring and identity theft alerts, which can notify you of suspicious activity on your credit reports. However, it's important to remember that no security system is foolproof. Data breaches are a harsh reality of the digital world, and even the most robust security measures can be compromised. Here's what you can do to add an extra layer of security. Enable two-factor authentication on your Credit Karma account. This adds an additional step to the login process, making it significantly harder for unauthorized users to access your information. Be mindful of the information you share. Credit Karma doesn't require your social security number to access your credit scores. Only provide the information they absolutely need. Stay vigilant. Review your credit reports regularly, not just on Credit Karma. You're entitled to a free credit report from each of the three major bureaus every year. You can request them at Annual Credit Report. By following these tips, you can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to identity theft. So, is Credit Karma the ultimate credit management tool? There's no simple answer. Credit Karma offers valuable features for free, but it's not without its limitations. Remember, it's a for-profit company with its own agenda. Use it as a stepping stone, but don't rely solely on it to manage your credit health. Incorporate Credit Karma into a comprehensive credit management strategy that includes regular credit report checks, responsible credit card use, and a proactive approach to financial literacy. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.